Doo-doo-doo. Hello everyone, I am back. Christmas is over and all the planning and meeting, zooming people away and talking to people who are away. All of that is over now. It's time to get back to work. Do what I love. As you can see, I already put my base, my white base on and my eyeliner, but because I have hooded eyes, when I open my eyes, this is what my eyeliner does because I haven't set it. But this is what hooded eyes look like. You go like this. And your liner, if I don't set it, that's what happens. See how I have it? This is what happens. But I am here and I have a request from one of my viewers. And they asked me to do a red eyeshadow look. So I'm going to do a red eyeshadow look today. I am back. I have been doing my alignment, my chakra alignment. And here I am. Don't be afraid to be who you are. Create the way you think you need to create and just have fun. And this is what I do. So I would like, if you enjoy my videos, to subscribe to my YouTube family. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video. And again, as always, I appreciate you. We start. I have base done and everything. That black will just have to blend into the rest of the eyeshadow. That's it. I am doing a red eye today, like I said, because it was requested. We'll start with this red right here. I am going to put that all over my face. All over my eyes. Okay, let us start. I hope everybody had a good Christmas. I had a fantastic one. My husband gave me a new laptop, a faster laptop, so I can do my editing of my videos. So that is a nice gift. I was very thankful for that, so that was one of my gifts. Looking down into the mirror. Don't wanna about to sing, but that was all it was. Ay, ay, ay. And I end up with this black right here, so I have to take care of this black. You know what I mean? I'm looking at the monitor. This one right here is a red shimmer, so I'm gonna use that also. We are going all red. Ooh, that's pretty. That is pretty. Red shimmer is fabulously gorgeous. Shows all my wrinkles. I put it with my finger first and then I will fix it with a brush. That is gorgeous. I am going to wet my brush. Now I'm using a wet brush. This it's to take away the mirror. I'm putting on my earrings. Nothing fancy. And this is the red eye. This was requested by one of my viewers if I can do a complete red eye, and this is it for you. I created this red look. I hope you like, I hope you share, I hope you subscribe. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And always remember, you are your own rescue. Be creative, do what's fun, have some joy and laughter. And I will see you in another video. Requested red eyeshadow look on hooded eyes. I love you all, and I appreciate you for viewing and subscribing and sharing my videos. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.